Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Huawei FreeBuds. Now these are tap control, true wireless stereo earbuds. You can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $130. Now this is a special request video. Yesterday I did the Skull Candy push and I got a comment from my homeboy Big C. He said, yo, Flossy, you got to check out the Huawei FreeBuds. They're on Amazon. Hit me back about it. And I replied, yeah, got you tonight. It's tonight, so let's check these out. Now, why would you buy these for $130 instead of buying the Bose or the Sonys or the Jabras or anything else? There's only one reason I can think of. All of your fucking iPhone friends are walking around with these stupid-ass AirPods looking like douchebags, and you want to be down, but you can't. You got a real phone. You got an Android phone. What do? Take $130 and buy some Huawei FreeBuds. Now, as far as the specs, these got a 10-hour battery life. 3 hours with the actual earbuds. You can use the case to charge them up 2 more times. All right, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Here we go. Huawei FreeBuds. Tap control, true wireless stereo earbuds. Wireless design, superior sound, light and portable. All right, let me grab a little unboxing knife. Shout out to the Spider-Man. Here we go. Rah. Okay. Play music, answer and phone calls, activate voice assistant. Now, on a side note, everybody's going to ask me about the FreeBuds 2. We're not going to get those until we hear these. If these sound good, then we'll try out the FreeBuds 2. If these sound like trash, then it's over for Huawei headphones. Stick to making phones. All right, here we go. So far, I will say, nice looking presentation. I give them credit on that. Let's see. Here we go. Right. Okay, aggravation levels increasing. Frustration nearing maximum. All right, here we go. Package is trolling. All right, let's see what you get inside. Now, here's your FreeBuds. Looking just as stupid as the AirPods. But some people like this, so it is what it is. I'm going into these with an open mind. But my prediction is that these are going to sound like trash. But we'll see. All right, let's see what else you get. This is going to be your charging case. Now the case, plastic, lightweight, doesn't feel cheap at all. This looks like USB Type-C charging. I like that. Got an LED on the front. See, file that. And this is how the earbud's going to go in. Let's see if we could get this on the first try. That's how your earbud's going to look in the case. Did I do that right? Nope. Okay, let's try that again. Let's see. I'm trying to do this from behind the camera. I think I did do that right. Okay, that was right. Let's see. Here we go. All right. File that. Let's see what else you get. Now, this is actually a really nice presentation. Yo, check this out. I would say your usual books and shit, but this is a fucking novel right here. You got a real novel on deck. Plug it and file it. 2. You got 2 novels on deck. File that too. Some Poison for the Trolls. Plug it and file it. And that's pretty much it. Now, did I file a USB Type-C charging cable? I didn't see a USB Type-C charging cable. That ain't a good look. Let's see. On the back of the box, comes with a pair of FreeBuds, charging case, quick start guide, warranty card, 3 pairs of ear tips, 1 pair of earrings. All right, so it doesn't come with a USB charging cable for $130. It is what it is. All right, so let me pull out a phone. I'll pair these up and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. And of course,
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
All right, White Shoes, calm down. Now, I got these all set up, so now let's test them out. For the pairing process, real simple. Once you plug in the charging cable, you see you got a little button on the back. You're going to hold that button for 2 seconds. That's going to pair each side together. Then you open up your phone, go to your Bluetooth menu, and select the FreeBuds. Now, these have sensors in them, so you don't have no on and off switch. Once you put them in your ears, they automatically turn on. Once you take them off, they automatically turn off. All right, so I'm going to test these live right now with my favorite song out, Meek Mill's Trauma. If you never heard this song, you better download this. This is my new joint. All right, so here we go. Now, we're going into this with an open mind. We got the FreeBuds. All right, here we go. All right, so let's make sure we got left and right. Now, they are labeled left and right. As you can see for yourself, got a little right. So I'm going to drop these in. Now, once I put them in, I heard a little beep. Okay, so let's see if they automatically connected. Okay, automatically connected. Now, here we go. Let's get max volume. Hold up, let me pause. First thing before I even check out the music, the fit. The fit on these feels definitely better than the AirPods. And that's because, unlike AirPods, you got the little tips. You see on your AirPods, let me show you. Now, I don't want to turn this into a full comparison, but these are pretty much the silliest looking earphones out. So we might as well compare them together. These don't have any rubber, so they go right in your ears. This has a little piece of rubber, so right away the fit is a little bit better. All right, so y'all want to take it to some karaoke? Here we go. Now I got these paired up to an iPhone. This way I can switch and try the AirPods right after. You see Huawei FreeBuds. I got the lyrics queued up. Max volume. Here we go. All right, my bad, y'all. I had to file White Shoes to the side because she was getting ready to steal my AirPods. All right, so here we go. Now I got these paired up using an iPhone, so this way I can quickly swap out to the AirPods and see which ones sound better. Meek Mill Trauma, like I said, it's my new favorite song. Max volume, got the lyrics on deck. Let's do a little karaoke. Here we go. Be a dreamer. Okay. Dream that I found. My mama used to pray that she'll see me in jail. It's fucked up, she gotta see me in jail. On a visit with Lil Poppy, it hurt, even though so knew me well. They gotta smoke her with a key to my cell. Damn. And even worse, my dad black don't want to see me do well. It's either that or black people for sale. Gave me 2 to 4 years like fuck your life. Meet me in hell and let it burn like Lucifer. You look even stupider. Woo! All right, hold up. All right, let me pause this. Now, without even testing the AirPods, I can already tell you, without a doubt, these sound better. These definitely sounded better than the AirPods so far. Now, I'm going to quickly take these out. Let's put them back in the case. I'm going to throw in my AirPods with the same exact song. Okay, here we go. Quick pairing. All right, Captain Kirk's AirPods just connected. Bring it back to the same song. Used to be a dreamer. Y'all better download this song. It's banging. Dream that I found. My mama used to pray that she'll see me in jail. It's fucked up. She gotta see me in jail. All right, hold up. Yeah. Damn. All right. Yeah. Now check this out. Right out of the gate. The AirPods, they might sound a little bit cleaner. Like the AirPods got a lot more treble. A lot more treble and a lot more highs. But for my money, I'd rather use the FreeBuds. These got way more bass and the fit. The fit is a lot better. Let me show you what they look like on head. I took a quick picture just now while I was rocking out. This is what it's going to look like when you're wearing them. All right, just as stupid as the AirPods, but they actually sound better and they have a better fit. Now, I'm going to pause the video real quick. I want to test out the lag latency. I'm going to make a few test phone calls, and I'll try a few more different genres of music and see if it's not all about bass, see if we can get some clarity, some highs, and some mids. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back it again. Now, I just tested out all of the features. I played a bunch of different music, and I even did a little bullshit workout to see if these would stay in my ear. So I'm ready to let y'all know what I really think about these. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, these are a go. Do I like them better than the AirPods? Hell yeah. Now, as far as voice calls, the voice calls are super loud, crystal clear. But one thing I will say, the AirPods, they do sound a little bit better for voice calls. But when it comes to music, the FreeBuds are blowing the AirPods out of the water. AirPods have no bass. Now, I'm not talking about downloading the third-party Bass Boost app. I'm talking about just plugging them in, stock to your phone. AirPods have no bass. The FreeBuds, you actually have bass. Now, if you double tap on the left bud, that's going to activate your Siri or your Google Now. If you double tap on the right, that's play and pause. That's it for the controls. They have sensors. Once you put them in your ears, they automatically power up. When you take them out, they automatically power down. Now, they work just like with the AirPods. As soon as you take them out, you ain't got to keep repairing them to your phones. As soon as you take them out of the case, they automatically pair up to your phone. Now, I tried it with a Huawei phone. I tried it with my Galaxy, and I tried it with an iPhone. Works the same on all of the phones. AirPods only working on your iPhones. Anything else? Oh, Bluetooth lag latency. Now, it's definitely there. All right. So if you're buying these to watch videos, don't. All right. There's definitely a little bit of delay. And what I mean by that is when the person starts talking, they might say, "How you doing?" It'll be just like this. It'll be like, "How you doing?" Like, it's a little bit of delay. It's not the worst in the world. It's not unwatchable. But like I said before, if you want to buy headphones to watch videos, use a wired connection. So therefore, you're going to have no lag. Again, $130. If you just want this douchebag look, all right, you want to look like a set of AirPods, then get these. But for $130, if it was my money, I would definitely just add an extra 30, get the Jobbers, get the Sonys, or get the Bose. You could probably get all those on sale right now for the holidays. 3-hour battery life. Put them in the case, charge them up 2 more times. So it's a total of 9.5 to 10 hours. They say 10 hours, but you're probably going to rock these on max volume, so you'll be looking at around 9 hours. All right, so Big C. All right, this video was specifically for you. If you really want to get these, I would say get them. You got USB Type-C charging, so you ain't got to walk around with a bunch of cables. You got the same cable that plugs in your phone. Unplug it, plug it into these. The carrying case, it is plastic just like all of them, but it doesn't feel like that cheap plastic like those Skull Candy Push yesterday. It feels like if you open it too fast, you just pop the top right off. These feel like a nice solid carrying case, and you got your little LED. No battery level indicator on it, but it is what it is. Little Huawei branding. Now, as far as working out in the gym, that's one more thing I forgot to mention. These actually have the little rubbers in them, the little earbuds. So they will stay in your ear way better than the AirPods. Now, I did about 17 and a half push-ups. I did half of a backflip, and they stayed in my ears. So basically, I could wear these to the gym, but I wouldn't, no. I wouldn't, because I hate this stupid look. But again, like I said, you got all your douchebag friends walking around with the AirPods. You want to look just as douchey. Get some Huawei FreeBuds. All right, Big C, this is for you. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Oh, and on the side note, after hearing these, I'm impressed. All right, I'm impressed. I will get the FreeBuds too, and we'll try out that little wireless charge feature with the Mate 20. That should be sick. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. All right, one more thing I forgot to mention, the sound quality. Now, the sound quality on these is pretty good. They sound like a set of AirPods that actually have bass. Now, if you never heard AirPods, imagine the stock wired headphones that came free with your phone. This is how they sound, but a lot louder and a lot more bass. Now, they're not the loudest in the world. Would I recommend buying these for the gym? No. I would recommend these for day-to-day listening, at work, walking around your house, walking around outside, riding your bike, where you don't want them to be super loud, because they're not the loudest in the world, but they sound great. Crystal clear, a lot of bass, nice mids. Way better than the AirPods. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're gonna do a battle between the Tribit X Boom and the JBL Flip 4. What's the best speaker for under $80?